Winter storm warning for all those areas in pink, for all the areas in blue. That is a winter storm watch. Showers, very heavy showers in that direction. Reports of hail and also damaging winds. For that reason, we did see a severe thunderstorm warning issued. We also have Eddy County, that's until 6, Chavez, Lincoln, Roosevelt, and Curry counties. That's until 5:45 this evening. The only place we're seeing any chances of moisture is going to be in the north area, the west areas, and it's going to be in the upper elevations. So over the weekend, of course, we started out Friday. We got the showers, we got the wind, we got the snow, we got the cooler temperatures, you name it, it happened in New Mexico this weekend. We're now out of that and we're seeing just the cooler temperatures. We're talking more chances for moisture, showers, storms, even right here in the Duke City. Take a look at this. Is basically how it plays out. Sunday afternoon, you see widespread showers. Overall today, those temperatures in the 70s will call for breezy skies. Northern California, there, very strong low pressure system. Those warmer temperatures are coming up from the south. We still have low pressure here starting to develop, and that's what we're going to see into Friday. So while these rain showers are likely to make their way into our state as we head into Friday. We, of course, saw an interesting night last night, and we're still seeing some of those scattered showers out in the area right now. Most of them starting to dissipate off, though. So if you're waking up to mostly cloud coverage, we just showed you that action cam, and that's basically what we're seeing, I think, citywide at this point. But we could see some wet weather into the afternoon. Right now, a lot of circulation going on with this active weather pattern. So those of you waking up in southeast New Mexico could see some of these rain showers move into your area by lunchtime. Southwest New Mexico, same thing into the afternoon. In fact, we have a flash flood watch going on for a majority of that area. I'll step out of the way here. Impacting all those areas you see in green. This is going to take effect as of 11 and continue into tonight. 2 inches of rain per hour, possibly more, into the afternoon. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that area, especially areas where there may be some burn scars. A lot of concern there where we could see, again, that flash flooding. Make sure if you're driving today or even into tomorrow, don't go through any standing water. Stay out of the arroyos. You know the drill. Let's be safe with this weather event. Of course, this may be the graphic that Joe showed you last night. Our first alert weather team warned you that this was coming, and in fact it did. This cold front ended up dropping into New Mexico, basically bringing that moisture recharge to our area. So take a look. This is in fact what we're waking up to this morning. This cold front basically splitting our state in half and bringing that circulation into play here. So again, rain is going to take effect for a majority of New Mexico into the afternoon. We'll keep with the chances of rain and showers and storms into tonight, into tomorrow, starting to dry out by Sunday afternoon. High pressure is going to take effect for next week, which means we will see drier, more mild conditions into the first week of August, I believe, into next week. Take a look. This is what we're expecting in the next few hours here. You're going to see those areas in blue and towards southeast New Mexico, western New Mexico. Those are going to be the areas that we see a lot of rain, and we're going to see areas in purple later on. So make sure to tune in with Byron 5, 6, and 10 tonight to keep updated. Of course, our KOAT Facebook page, our app, whatever you can do to stay updated with this, because it's going to be a bit of a wet weather event into this afternoon and into tomorrow. As far as the extended forecast goes, our 7-day, you can see the first couple of days here in our 7-day being a little bit wet. Monday, though, we start to dry out and we see those warm temperatures continue to increase into next week, 90s for the Farmington area. Silver City, good morning to you. Friday and Saturday, chances of rain and storms. Monday, drying out, mostly sunny skies into next week. For those of you in Carlsbad, you can see a lot of cloud coverage, chances of showers and storms Friday and Saturday, Sunday as well. Monday, drying out, mostly sunny there. For Taos, it's going to be in the 80s for the rest of the week here. Chances of showers and storms for the first 2 days of our weekend. Santa Fe, I know you got a lot of rain last night, continuing with that weather into this afternoon. Sunday, drying out. And for the metro area, our winds picking up this afternoon to about 10 to 15 miles per hour. 7-day forecast, again, a warm one, 88 for our high, 87 into tomorrow, pushing toward the 90s into next week. Good morning to you. Time to wake up. We're seeing those warm temperatures already out there. Overnight, we saw some of those brief showers pass through the Albuquerque area. Nothing too measurable, but even some wind and stormy-like conditions in the South Valley. Take a look. Right now, we're sitting at that 70-degree mark, even in Albuquerque, and right now sitting close to the 80s in the Carlsbad direction. Now, of course, that was a hot one for you yesterday. We're going to see those triple digits again today. Over toward the northwest part of our state, we're seeing those temperatures temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Some of us starting with clouds this morning, others starting with clear skies. We're even seeing some of those showers in the northeast as well, but those are starting to push out of the area now. We'll all start with at least mostly a dry morning until about lunchtime, and then things start to change. Now, we've been talking all week about the possibility of storms, the possibility of showers as well, and today is that day. Today is round one of these stormy-like conditions. Take a look. We have this backdoor cold front that's going to start to move through our area. In fact, it's already doing so right now, and so it's going to bring some of those cooler temperatures, very slightly cooler, and more wind. Already starting with some wind in the Tucumcari, even Clayton areas. Raton, you're feeling some breezes this morning too. And into the afternoon, those storms will basically stay along this front line, and we will see round 2 tomorrow. We'll see round 3 come on Friday. But here's the deal. We're going to have to keep our eye on these because severe storms are very possible. With those, even in the metro area, we could see some possibilities of hail. We could see some increasing damaging winds toward the eastern plains, and in some of those ranch areas, some isolated tornadoes as well. So we'll have to continue to monitor that. Of course, we'll have that more in detail coming up tonight because those storms won't happen until the afternoon. For the wind in the metro area, we're talking good conditions for a majority of the day. It's not until about dinner time, 5, 6 o'clock, that you're going to see those breezes pick up to about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Let's talk 7-day forecast because, of course, we'll get those 3 days of storms out of the way, but then we're right back to those hot, dry conditions for the weekend. For Farmington, we're talking temperatures mostly in the 80s, picking up into the 90s next week. Good morning to you in Silver City. Mostly sunny, breezy conditions today into tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. An increase in temperature into next week. For the Carlsbad area, we were talking earlier, a hot day yesterday. We're talking triple digits again today. 106 for your temperature. A good drop in temperature tomorrow, but right back up there for the weekend. Taos, good morning to you. A few clouds in the sky this morning, but mostly sunny later. And for the Santa Fe area, we'll call for stormy-like conditions today, tomorrow, and through Friday. Stormy-like conditions in Albuquerque, too. Those winds picking up later on today. And here's that 7-day forecast. 90 today, so we'll call it a repeat of our forecast from yesterday. 85 into tomorrow, pushing on through the weekend. Hot conditions, triple digits on Sunday. Let's take a look at the traffic right now. If you're headed out on the road, a little update on your commute here. There is Boring, Princeton from Aztec to Cutter northeast. The southbound right lane will be closed through 3 this afternoon. We are right around the corner from that weekend, and things are shaping up to look very summery for Saturday and Sunday. Until that point, we'll keep that chance of showers and storms in the mix. For now, like I was mentioning earlier, we saw some of that rain move through overnight, also a lot of that wind gust action, and we are still seeing that in eastern New Mexico. Take a look. We'll zoom in here to southeast New Mexico, and you can see in those areas of yellow and red, those are those heavier showers. They are now pushing out of the area, but we have been dealing with that for the last few minutes. For those of you waking up in the Clovis area, Tucumcari, even near Tatum, we're still seeing some spotty showers into the next few hours. That will continue, and again, that chance continues through the afternoon and evening. Now, for those of us in the metro area, could see some severe storms into the afternoon and evening. We'll have to keep an eye out. That does mean some possibilities of hail, possibly damaging winds. We saw a lot of wind last night here in the metro area. We even saw some hail and wind yesterday in Santa Fe, where we got up to, I think, 50 miles per hour as far as the wind was concerned into the afternoon. So might be another repeat here. This is round 3 of 3 for these chances of storms into tomorrow. We'll just call it a slight chance. It's about a 10% chance. So I don't think we're going to see too much from this into tomorrow, but we'll keep the chance through tonight. So we'll continue to monitor that for you. Into tomorrow, changes make their introduction, and here's what we're expecting. These westerly winds are going to start to take effect, which means more hot, dry, sunny weather. So break out the tank tops, break out the water bottles. You're going to need them, especially for Sunday and Monday here in Albuquerque and in the Carlsbad area. You're going to see those temperatures return back to those triple digits. Winds are going to stay on the lighter side of things today, so it might be a good morning to head out to the golf course. We're talking about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So for the metro area, our daily wind forecast showing it's going to be a nice day ahead. And like I said, for the next 7 days, it's going to be a hot, dry forecast, even for Farmington. For the next few days, we'll keep with the sunshine trend into next week. Temperatures will stay in the 90s. Good morning to those of you waking up in Silver City this morning. morning. Chances of storms and showers for our Friday, but by Saturday, we're back to those dry skies. We'll call it a chance of rain probably in a Saturday morning, but that's about it. And into next week, keeping with the warming trend. Carlsbad, a little relief from those hot temperatures today and into tomorrow, but by Sunday, you see we're back to those triple digits, 101, 102, 103. Yeah, we're going to continue with that through the next 7 days. For Taos, we're keeping with the chances of storms and showers today, dry by tomorrow. By next week, mostly sunny skies. For Santa Fe, it's going to be a little bit different today. I don't think we'll see as much hail as we saw for the last 2 days, but we'll keep the chances of showers and storms in the mix. And for the metro area, like I said, just those chances of storms. Temperatures will be close to 90 in a lot of different places. 94 into tomorrow as we push towards Sunday and Monday. Those are the 2 days you're going to want to watch out for. Those are the 2 days you're going to need to stay hydrated. Definitely, go to the pool, put that air conditioning on. It's going to be a hot one. Highs in the mid to upper 90s.